One of the most entertaining moments from the Venice Carnival is the Pantegana parade on Grand Canal, Pantegana meaning rat in the local dialect. And the huge rodent got the celebrations rolling this year as well, with circus-style parades dedicated to director Federico Fellini. The party in Rio di Cannaregio unravels the traditional soul of the city, from Venetian-style rowing to dishes from the local cuisine. 120 boats and 700 rowers constituted a royal costume parade headed by the above-mentioned famous rat. Venetian rowing clubs weren't the only ones to take part in the parade. Other cities from the north of Italy, such as Cremona, Grado, Padova, Treviso and Caorle, joined in. The new addition to the 2018 Carnival edition was a sprint competition for rowing columbines, featuring 10 female teams on gondolini, rowboats traditionally associated to men. Cicchetti snacks, frittelle or raisin pancakes, and galani or sweet fried thin pastry strips provided a sweet conclusion to the celebrations, while colored balloons were released from the Pantegana boat for a very lively and gleeful carnival.